Texas Trader here. In this video, I'm going to go over NRXP, kind of go over what I'm looking at for a possible first green day setup. So, first of all, I come down to the daily chart and I'm looking at these 2 green days in a row. Today is day 3 actually, so we got 3 green days in a row. I'm looking at this volume down here. I go out and I look at the complete 52 week, the last year, and I'm looking down at this volume, and I see there's some volume back here in May, on May 6th. That's the most volume traded this past year. Then I go over here to the last 3 days, or 3 trading days, and I can see there's more volume traded here than any time the rest of the year. So that automatically puts this on watch for a first green day bounce. Now, I was alerted this morning by a member in chat on this stock. It wasn't even on my radar, but as soon as I looked at it, I knew I wasn't buying it today because we had 2 green days in a row already. If you look here, this is setting up as a shooting star candle, which is what I look for when I'm looking for the reversal. So it's going up, I'm looking for a shooting star. That means there's a good chance it's coming back down or reversing and starting to pull back. And then when we get down here, I'm looking for basically the opposite. I'll be looking for a hammer candle, which is going to give me an indicator that it possibly could be reversing and getting ready to bounce. Why the first green day bounce play works is because we are basically buying the short exit, if that makes sense. So if I'm a short, I'm looking to start buying up here. This today could very well turn into a first red day, and that's what shorts are looking for. It's almost the exact opposite of the first green day bounce strategy that I play. So if I'm a short and I see this is up 2 green days in a row, which means it's starting to get a little overextended, I'm going to start looking for entries. And going to the 1 minute chart, we see here that it spiked up in pre-market and broke yesterday's high, which I'm sure there's some shorts that got in there. It pulled back, they're all happy, maybe some started covering here, and then when it breaks pre-market high here during hours, we get a small squeeze. Again, shorts are probably buying up in this area. If shorts from over here didn't start selling, they're adding. More than likely, they're stopping out here, maybe getting back in here. It pulls back. They're thinking this is going to go green and they're going to be in the money. It starts bouncing. Here we get another high. So now we've got a higher low. So there's more shorts entering here, waiting for this to go red on the day. Like I said, this is almost the exact opposite of a first green day bounce strategy that I play. So knowing this, I know shorts are in this and they're waiting for this to go red on the day and pull back. And then next week sometime, say Monday, Tuesday, more than likely they start covering their position. Will that be down the 250 area? I don't know. Will it be down here in the $2 area? Maybe. All I know is that's where I'll be starting to look for, around this $2.50 to $2 area for an entry. More than likely, I would think shorts would start covering, meaning they're buying back their shares to cover their position, which will force a little bounce. And that's what I'm looking to take advantage of. So that's what I'm looking at on NRXP for a first green day bounce setup come next week. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments and let me know, and I'll be quick to answer them. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.